Hello, I'm Patty Kay, and this is the U-Shaped Business Show. And today I'm going to try something a little bit different. A few weeks ago, I attended a Discover Your Purpose weekend workshop, which was life-changing. And after the workshop, we were given an assignment. We needed to write a letter to the world. And today I'm going to read mine to you. It's directed to others like me who feel like they don't belong. So this one is for you, my fellow weirdos and misfits. Dear world, when I was a kid, my mom used to do jigsaw puzzles. Big ones, like hundreds of little pieces that took up the entire dining room table. I watched as she patiently sorted the pieces and tried each one, figuring out exactly where it fit in. I've come to believe that the world that you and I inhabit is just like an enormous jigsaw puzzle, and that each one of us is one of 7.6 billion pieces. Fortunately, we don't need to figure out where every one of the pieces go. We just need to figure out where we fit in. And that is a big enough job. The key to doing this lies in the annoying advice that my mom used to always give me. Oh, just be yourself, dear. And I say it's annoying because it sounds ridiculously easy. What's so hard about being yourself? Until you try to do it and you find out that it is fiendishly difficult, especially if your particular piece of the puzzle seems to be substantially different from the pieces around you. And sometimes my mom used to do these puzzles that would be 80% sky. And all of the interesting bits, like a piece of a farm, like a little farm scenery sort of thing, would be concentrated in a narrow band along the bottom of the puzzle, but the rest of it was all blue sky. So when I view my own life as this farmyard puzzle, I feel like I was born into a family and a society full of blue sky pieces, with the odd bit of fluffy white cloud thrown in for personality. But me, I would be a piece of a tractor tire, or maybe a bit of a red barn, or a chicken. Yeah, totally a chicken. And because I felt so different, I learned to keep my tractor tire or chicken bits hidden. I tried my best to be a blue sky piece in a world that valued blue sky pieces and rejected me for being different. But here's the thing. If you're a tractor tire or a piece of a lighthouse or a whitecap on an ocean wave, that's the piece you get to play. Yay you, yay me. And that really sort of sucks until you realize that by being a piece of the Ferris wheel or the ear of a sheep, you find the pieces that you're meant to hang out with. You find where you fit in. You're a tractor tire? Cool, I'm part of the steering wheel. And when you do this, when you show up as yourself, you'll discover that the world isn't actually made from 80% blue sky pieces after all. There are actually quite a few of us chickens, a whole bunch of tractor tires, and some barn doors, and some goats, and a wishing well. And we need all of the pieces to complete the puzzle, including your piece. You're here for a reason. There is a U-shaped hole in the world that only you can fill with your ideas, your talents, your personality, your skills, your heart, and yes, even your own brand of weirdness. You matter and you belong. So that is my message to the world. It explains a little bit about why I call this the U-Shaped Business Show, why my book is called The U-Shaped Business. And I invite my fellow chickens and tractor tires to join me at pattykay.com. Have a fantastic weekend. I will see you back here on Monday. Bye for now.